In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix couldn't access photos on TikTok. So if you have been trying to access photos on your phone gallery but you are unsuccessful, then let me show you how you can fix this problem. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and access the app setting for your TikTok app to fix this issue. For that, you can go through settings, or you can just go ahead and long press on your TikTok app, and you should see we have app info. If you don't see app info, you should see a settings here or the name of the app. Just tap on it and you'll be taken to the TikTok app information page. At this point, we want to go ahead and go to permissions, and under it, go to app permissions here. And if you tap on this, you can see quite a number of permissions on your TikTok app. Here, make sure you allow access to camera. This will allow you to go live or even take photos and videos directly from TikTok. And also go down here under files and media. At this point, make sure that you have chosen allow access to media here. Now from here, go ahead and open your TikTok account. And from here, go ahead and now try to upload your media here. So if I tap on this, you'll have to grant permission for TikTok to access your photos and media on your device. So tap on allow, and now go ahead and select any image and try next to see if you are able to upload. And now, as you can see, I'm able to post this. So that's how you can fix couldn't access photos on your TikTok account.